Today we're going to see if the USB mosquito killer is worth getting for your camper van or RV. Mosquitoes are truly able to turn your holidays into a living nightmare. Those little bugs can be truly annoying. How can you deal with them? I mean, you can use some glowing spirals. If you have main voltage, you can use stuff like that. If you like to be a hunter, why don't go with the bug zapper? But what if you want something that will work even without a mains voltage, even without you hunting the mosquitoes down, and without things that don't smell that great? Chinese manufacturers, I think they have a solution. They came up with USB mosquito killer. The mosquito killer comes in this quite typical gray card box. If you try to read the specification written on a box, you will see that it tries to look more better than it is. So we have high-tech new product, photocatalytic inhalation, and it kills mosquitoes. So yeah, you get the idea. It tries to look better than it is. The device itself is quite a cheap plastic. You can feel that. It doesn't feel nice to touch, but it's also very lightweight, and that's a good thing for RV, caravan, camper van applications. The way it works is that, let me just show you. At the top end there is some blue-purple LED, and that light should attract the mosquitoes to the proximity. And then there is a fan inside, and that fan sucks air with the mosquitoes in. And the mosquitoes ends up in this storage box. And according to the manufacturer, mosquitoes that ends in that box will die because of dehydration, which is very ecological and very nice way to kill. Does it work? As you can see, at least this part where it should suck the air in, that one works well. I've been testing that for 3 nights, and I managed to get 2 mosquitoes in. So not fabulous, but on the other hand, you should read the user manual, because while most of it is complete nonsense, there is a point saying that you should run it only in places where it's working in the dark, because those LEDs are not really super bright. So if there is anything else to distract the mosquitoes, they will fly somewhere else. So you really need to put it into a dark place, and then it's working. So is it worth getting one for your RV, for your camper van? I believe so. It's not expensive. It's around $10 on AliExpress, and it works. Even if it's not working 100%, it does work, and the fact that you can power it via the USB cable makes it really easy and really convenient to use. So I think it makes a really good gadget for your RV or camper van. But that's it for the moment. Thank you for watching.